If you've ever wanted to filter out tags on itch.io and narrow down your search results faster, this video will show you the easiest way to do it. Now, I want to mention something important right away. Itch.io does not currently have a direct exclude tags button. So instead of removing tags you don't want, you filter by selecting the tags you do want and using the search bar strategically. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software and platform guides. Let's get into it. First, go to itch.io in your browser. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for a game, genre, or tag that matches what you want to find. For example, you might search for a game title, a category, or something broad like horror, action, or puzzle. The goal here is to start with a search that gives you a useful set of results. After that, look at the tags shown on the results or on a game page. You'll usually see tags like action, horror, adventure, indie, or similar labels. These tags help you refine what you're seeing. If you want to narrow things down, click only the tags that fit the type of content you want. This is the closest way to filter out tags on itch.io because the platform works by adding relevance, not by directly excluding tags. For example, if you're looking for a game with horror elements but you don't want visual novels, you would search for the horror-related content first, then focus on tags that match your preferences. Avoid clicking tags that lead you toward the kinds of games you don't want. Instead, keep your search focused on the tags that describe the exact style, genre, or format you're trying to find. Another helpful tip is to combine the search bar with tags. This gives you a much more refined result set. Start with a broad search term, then use the tags to narrow it down further. If the first results are too general, change your search wording and click different tags until the list looks right. This is especially useful if you're browsing a huge category and want to cut out unrelated games. It's also worth remembering that itch.io doesn't provide a direct exclude tags feature, so if you're looking for a negative filter, the best workaround is to search intentionally. Choose the tags you do want and avoid the ones you don't. In other words, filtering on itch.io is more about curating your search than applying a true exclusion rule. If you're trying to find a very specific type of game, this method still works well. Just keep testing different combinations of search terms and tags until your results become more precise. The more specific your input, the better your results will be. That's why using the search bar and tags together is the smartest way to filter itch.io content. So to quickly recap, go to itch.io, search for a game or tag, click the tags you want, and use the search bar plus tags together to refine your results. Since there is no direct exclude tags button, the best method is to select what you want instead of trying to remove what you don't. If this video was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.